Listen to the heartbeat of the land. Every leaf whispers your name. Every drop of rain sounds the same. Sweet reggae breeze, carry me away to the time where love will stay. No more sorrow, no more pain. Let your music heal again. used to hum that sweet refrain. When times were hard, she'd ease the pain. Now I sing the same song, truth remains. Love and unity will still sustain. Roots of my heart, they never fade away. I keep on singing through the break of day. Freedom inside, it's the reggae way. I'm dancing to the roots of yesterday. Fire in the drum, rhythm in my soul, dub echo rolls, making me whole. Sister of the sound, I'm feeling high under the stars of a Kingston sky. ancestors in this song. Dub echo rolling through the sound. I feel Jah presence all around. Now the night falls soft and low, stars above in a gentle glow. Every rhythm tells a story true of ancient hearts that still beat through. Carry me home to the land of peace where the rivers flow and the hearts released. In the roots we trust, in love we stay. Keep the fire burning every day. Yeah, we keep the fire burning every day. Yeah, we keep the fire burning every day. Rain is falling on the dusty ground. I hear the heartbeat of that old town sound. Children laugh.